big dreams through endless nights, holding on through storms and trials. Time and patience bore the cost, searching for what once was lost. Critics spoke and doubts appeared, still we stayed through every year. But every road must someday bend to where the next new chapter begins. Share the past, let the old fall away. Take the lessons, keep the strength today. What we learned will always last, but we do not have to live in the past. Share the past, hear the future call, rise up stronger. After it all, with clearer eyes and hearts held fast, we are moving forward. We shared the past. Every setback taught us more, every challenge shaped the core. Character forged in uncertainty, patience shaped our destiny. What we gained can never fade, the wisdom earned, the price we paid. Now it's time to turn the page and face the future unafraid. Share the past, let the old fall away. Take the lessons, keep the strength today. What we learn will always last, but we do not have to live in the past. Share the past, hear the future call.